Something knocked you down. Something held you back. This is the fight of your life and you have to work, trust it and stand on it. You must be willing to move against the tide, to swim upstream when necessary. This is your journey and it's time to take control. Your future is waiting for you. Go out and seize it. The journey toward achieving your goals begins with a powerful belief in your vision. When you set a goal, you are not just outlining a destination, you are creating a roadmap for your future. Visualize your success and imagine how it will feel to reach your objectives. This mental imagery serves as a source of motivation and clarity, reminding you why you started in the first place. Embrace the passion that fuels your aspirations and let it drive you forward even when the path gets tough. Every great achievement begins with the decision to try, and your belief in your potential is the first step toward turning your dreams into reality. Break down your larger objectives into smaller, manageable steps and set a timeline for each milestone. This approach not only makes your goal feel more attainable but also allow you to celebrate progress along the way. Stay disciplined and hold yourself accountable, but also be flexible and open to adjusting your plans as needed, because challenges may arise and setbacks are a natural part of the process. However, it's essential to maintain your focus and remind yourself that persistence is the key. Every effort you make, no matter how small, brings you one step closer to your goals. If you have a bunch of negative things happening around you, you will never be able to see the promised land. You will never be able to see the truth within yourself. Something knocked you down. Something held you back. Why did this happen? Was it supposed to happen? Why did you have to go through this particular setback when you worked so hard? Well, I'm here to let you know that sometimes the best do fall, but as long as you have a beating heart, functioning lungs and open eyes, you will get back up again. Work towards the greatness that you have within you. Look up and see your true potential. See what you are capable of. Know what you are capable of and fight for it. This is the fight of your life and you have to work, trust it and stand on it. You will not bow down. You will not give up. You will work, push and give everything that you have for today and for the rest of your life. Be proud, be strong, and from the bottom of my heart, conduct your business. Whatever industry you pick, if you outwork everybody, try to be a little smarter than everybody. Try to be a better salesperson than everybody. Try to be a better prepared than everybody. You have got your best chance, because if you don't do it and someone else does, you will know that you could have given more. Work like someone's trying to take it all away from you, like someone's spending 24 hours working, 24 hours to take it all away from you. That's the way I look at it. What would you say is the number one reason why people fail? Lack of brain? Lack of skills? No. It's the lack of effort. They just don't do the work. They don't learn. But you, my friend, have the power to overcome that. You have the strength, the wisdom, and the determination to push forward no matter what life throws your way. When you encounter setbacks or make mistakes, the worst thing you can do is to criticize yourself harshly. Life can be painful, filled with loss, worry, and the insomnia that comes from recurring heartbreak and hardships. These experiences are inevitable, but it is self-compassion that empowers us to confront our failures, face our fears, and address our insecurities. It is through self-compassion that we can rise above our challenges and emerge stronger. When you find yourself down, it's crucial to discover a way to get back up. I have been there. I have faced my own struggles just like everyone else. But I also recognize that I have a purpose in this world, and so do you. The real challenge of growth, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, comes when you get knocked down. How do you handle those moments defines your path forward. Take the time to evaluate where you are, assess your situation, and reflect on the role you played in getting there. Each of us is self-made, but only the successful will admit it. If you want to start moving forward, you must clear your mind of unnecessary baggage that weighs you down. I am challenging you to rise from where you are. Stop settling for mediocrity. Stop accepting the life that was handed to you. Instead, strive to give 100% in everything you do. Trying is not enough. We need to tap into our potential and apply it with dedication, motivation, and discipline. Understand that work must be applied consistently even when you don't feel like it. You have to make a declaration about what you stand for. If you want to win the fight for your future, you must master self-compassion and face conflicts head-on. When negative self-talk creeps in, when you find yourself comparing your journey to others, shift your perspective. Instead of feeling threatened by their success, draw inspiration from them. Stand up for your dreams, your peace of mind, and your health. You want it, and you have to go all out to achieve it. Everyone gets knocked down, no matter how tough they think they are. We all face moments of hardships, and sometimes those falls can be hard. But remember, the ground beneath you is solid, and it won't move just because you are lying on it. You need to rise up, rise above your circumstances, and start moving forward. Sometimes that means taking a step back to recharge, praying, meditating, and clearing your mind so you can return with a fresh perspective.